it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. It feels so good to be back. I did take a week off, but I'm back and ready to go. So it is another What's New This Week. So let's go ahead and jump in. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much. And if you are not yet subscribed or you are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell, and that way you won't miss out on any videos. All right, so this week on Wednesday, I'm going to do a video on skincare products that I have recently added to my collection. So these are not things that I've only tried for a week or two or three or four. These are things that I've been trying over the past at least 6 weeks to 2 months, and they are now become staples, and I will go over those in more detail. For those of you that know me, and have watched my AM or PM or both skincare routines, you know I'm very simple. It's like my hair, very simple. We don't need to have thousands of products when there are products that can multitask. So on Wednesday, and do not miss that video, because one of the products that I am completely obsessed with, they have a major sale starting that day, and I think it's for 3 days. So you want to look out for that video. I'll post on Instagram as well. And then Friday, we're going to talk about fashion. So the last of the Nordstrom's anniversary stuff came in. Pick up a few items from Banana Republic, Amazon. So just random things that have come in. Today, let's go ahead and start with, I'm going to start with Grove. I normally don't do that, but I'm going to start with household. And the reason is because it's the fall collection. Now, for those of you that don't know what Grove is, it's a more natural products, less plastic, no bad stuff in them. So I've been trying to, utilize more cleaning products that way, and I'm sort of now obsessed with them. I order probably every other week. So I did have a big order come in, and I'll take some pictures of that and put it here. This has now become my favorite laundry because I've tried the pods, which I did not like, but this is my most favorite laundry detergent, laundry softener, and now they have the little boost balls is what I call them, and it's the mango. Oof, Lord, love, love, love. So that's my favorite collection there. Now, for those of you in the springtime, they had a collection called the Blossom Collection, and that's what I got, and I will show it to you here. It's on my sink, and so love it. So we're no longer in spring, so we are moving into fall. So they had their fall collection, y'all. Oh, I'm so obsessed. So I have been moving from buying like soap, hand soap in plastic containers, because they're bags of soap, so you pour into a glass container. They use like 85% less plastic. So I love that. I'm so excited. So in the last box that I did, I had purchased the candle from Myers. This is apple cider. If there is one scent that just makes me feel so good about fall coming, it's apple cider. You know when you're making apple cider like on your stove with cinnamon, it smells so good. So, oh God, it smells so good. So these are Soy Candles, 25 hours of burn time, and they smell just like apple cider. So I actually had picked up one on my last order, so I picked up another one. So this is what I'm talking about. This is what the pouches look like. Apple spice. I know, I'm so excited. So you know how I have the little glass bottles? They have ones for fall. They have one for dish soap and one for hand soap. How pretty are these? Now, if you look real close, so it has the copper. Look at the copper detail, and then here it has just this beautiful, it sort of has these fall leaves and what looks like a little acorn, and they're just so pretty. And then this one has the copper sleeve to it, so I think they're so gorgeous. They also have within their collection, they have like straws and other cleaning products if you're just really into that fall scent. Oh, it's so silly, but I love this pineapple, and it smells so good. So this is what I will be using until we get into fall, because this is more of a I don't know, it's like a citrusy, what does it say? Citrus crush, yeah. Oh my God, y'all, it smells so good, but I just love the pineapple. I originally was gonna put this in my kitchen, but it looks so cute in the living room on the tray that I have, so I'll take a picture of where I put it. So that is adorable, and I'm so glad that I managed to catch that. Let's talk about what I got from Amazon. Okay, so last time I was on, I showed you some washcloths that say makeup on them, and they are such good quality. I washed them before I used them. I've used them and then washed them, and they're awesome. Well, within that same collection, they have other washcloths. So this is just random letting you know that there's some good stuff out there on Amazon. So I took those 3 wicker baskets that I got, and they are listed on Amazon as well. And one of them I put in between the 2 sets of towels that I have, and then I got some gray ones, and they're nice and thick and plush and not cheap, and yet at a reasonable price. So a new piece of exercise equipment, and it's off of Amazon. So if you saw the upper body workout, and yes, I will be doing a lower body workout, it will be the following week. So if you saw that, you saw that I use a lot of bands. Now, that is not something that I've always done. I went to a gym, so I never used a band, but I knew that not everyone will want to go to a gym. I certainly don't. And not everyone has dumbbells. So what I showed you that day was what I can do with bands that I've done with dumbbells or machines. Real simple, and they're very inexpensive when considering the equipment out there. And I showed you my ball. Now I found a ball that has exercise bands attached to it, so I will be doing probably in about 3 weeks, because I need to try it out. I need to get a routine with it, and it was like $40 for the ball, and the bands are actually attached to the ring the ball sits in. I'm gonna show you a video here. My beautiful son blew up ball for me, so it was great. So I'm gonna try that out. It comes with exercises, and then I'm gonna figure out exercises on my own, and I'm gonna see how much can really be done with just having 1 set of bands attached and the ball. So kind of excited about that. So I did pick up 4 pair of boots and shoes. Okay, so I just want to show you a close-up of the boot, so you could see that it has the Sam Edelman little logo here. It's not too high of a heel, pointed toe, and then here on the inside is where it zips, and then it does flare out a little bit, but it's nice and tight, but not too tight. Pair of shoes, I told you that I was gonna purchase. These are from, well, I did purchase Charles by Charles David, because I was looking for a comfortable pair of black pumps. I got them in a size 8, which is my normal size. They are half a size too big. So these are the Charles by Charles David heels. They're very, very cute. Just you're gonna have to size down, probably half a size. So I'm gonna have to return those. All right, so I'm going to show you now a shoe from a company never gotten shoes from before, and they're from Empress. They're made in Australia. And you guys know me, I'm not a big flat person, right? The only flats that I typically wear are boots, but I have been searching for comfy flat that was stylish, that wasn't gonna hurt, and that was gonna look good, and that could multitask. In other words, look good with skirts, look good with dresses, look good with jeans. So this is the one that I found. Super cute. But cuteness is all great and everything, but it has to be really comfortable. So what makes these little comfy flats so perfect? Several things. The leather is a sustainable leather, so it is vegan friendly. The leather is super, super soft, and over time it will mold to your foot, which we love, because you're not going to get any of that slipping and sliding here against your ankle, and then you end up with a band-aid. No, that's not going to happen. And then the other thing is that they have this technology at the bottom of on the sole that keeps even pressure, because we don't all walk evenly, but this will act as an even pressure, keeping the back from slipping. And I just think they're really super cute. Remember, I had these these are the Sam Edelman sandals. I have these in black. Boy, just one day my size popped up in the nude, and I wear them all the time. Again, slip resistant, incredibly comfortable. You guys have seen these in the black, so these are the nude. For those of you that watch my channel, follow me on Instagram, you know that I believe in wearing a mask, period. Now that doesn't mean masks can't be stylish, and I have probably a mask for every color outfit that I am, but I found these ones, and these are so gorgeous, you guys. One of the most important things in getting a mask, in my opinion, is the ability to slide in, and these ones have it. I'm going to show you it in the gray. Slide in a filter, and you can get the filters right off of Amazon. They're on my page, so if you want to see those, what I put in my mask, you can. So I picked up 2 of these because they are bling, and I love them. They're very, very cute. So they've got crystals on them. Look at these. This is the gray, and I'll show them what they look like on. And then this is the black. Isn't that stunning? They have multiple colors, and then the bands are adjustable. So they have like a toggle, so you can put them. Okay, how cute are these? Look at that shimmer. So you figure if you're going for date night, you have to wear a mask, y'all. You have to wear a mask. So, you know, you want to be a little stylish. Hello, little black dress. This one's gorgeous, super cute. And I love that these are adjustable. And then this one here is the gray. Ooh, that shines. Look at that. So cute, right? As far as beauty, okay, so Elevation, that's how I'm going to pronounce it. I have no idea if I'm pronouncing it right. Could be elevation, and I'm just giving it a little flair. A PR package filled with some wonderful things, and it was extremely generous of them, so thank you very much. So I have been testing some of them out for quite some time, and then others I have not been able to, because as you know, I am doing the neck and chest kit from Lola. That'll be in about another week. I have about another week to do that, and then I'll give you my 1 month update on that one. So I kind of stayed away from the neck and Decollete Cream, which is what this looks like, but I had to show you the packaging because it's so gorgeous. Their inspiration is Salvador Dali, which is one of my favorite artists, so I actually thought it was really cool. So this looks like a little book when you open it up. This is the neck and Decollete Cream, which I have not tried, but I just wanted to show you how the packaging is just so stunning. Sculptra is a machine. Now this is very interesting. Now for those of you that have watched my channel, you know right now I am testing out the Fiora Bear, which is a microcurrent device. This is a red light, blue light. I feel like I'm in 3rd grade. Red light, blue light device. So for getting rid of wrinkles, building collagen. So it has red light and blue light, and you literally glide along. I don't want it to interfere with the testing I'm doing, even though they're 2 completely different products. I just wanted to try it a couple times just to kind of get the feel of it. But as soon as I post the first video for Fiora for the bear, then I will go in deep with this and let you know my thoughts on it. And then they sent me the Gala results box, which is really super sweet. They have tried all of these and love them. And in fact, what you do, which is really kind of cool, the 3D sculpting device, what you do is you put on your serum. This is the serum moisturizer, and this is a booster you put on at night. So you put on your serum. It doesn't have to be the serum. You could be putting on your vitamin C or your hyaluronic acid, and then you use the red light, blue light, and it just helps your skin absorb the skincare that you have on your face. And what's great is it's 3 sections on each side of your face, so 6 sections, 6 minutes. That's it. 6 minutes of your life. Boom. But as always, I'm just showing you what's come in and new. I will be doing a complete video on Elevation. and letting you know my thoughts on all of the products. That will take some time, and I will probably do it on the skincare, and then I will do it specifically for the 3D sculpting device. That's it for what's new this week. As always, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.